like takes you somewhere else, and without feeling remotely like a costume. Do you know what I mean? Everything was really elegantly beautiful and forward and like kind of badass, and yet cowboy themed, which you wouldn't think went together. So yeah.
I think he sort of bridges the gap in a way that only he can. He has like such an amazing eye for detail and for, I mean, picking Dallas as a location and kind of running with that theme. I mean, only he would sort of think to do that and do it in a way that isn't cartoony or like caricature-ish. It's like, feels very authentic and very cool at the same time.
He really embraced the nature of coming to Dallas into the clothes as well as obviously the atmosphere, and there was such a genuine nature to the clothes that I think they weren't caricature-y at all, and I think that it could so have easily gone there, but there was such an energy about the show.